How you doing, folks? It's Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 66 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed. It's a true 138 4-speed car. It's had a complete frame off restoration. It's got show quality Regal Red paint. Very, very nice car. So all the grill, bumper, everything has been redone on the car. Car's super slick, straight down the sides. Got a nice set of American Racing torque thrusts on it, 17-inch. I got this car from a friend of mine. It's out of his personal collection. Very, very nice car. Got a bunch of the receipts of the restoration on it. See all the tail panel trim, tail lights, bumper, everything's been done on the car. Very, very nice car, folks. Again, it's got an error correct 66 396, been all professionally built. He built it to about 375 horse. Got aluminum intake. It's got the factory exhaust manifolds and the duals. It's got power steering and power disc brake upgrade. Very, very nice car. Detailed real nice. It's got the disc brakes up front with drilled and slotted rotors. The jams are all real nice. All the interior's been done. Headliner all looks real good. Real nice, tight. All new seat covers, got the front and rear deluxe seat belts. The original 4-speed center console. That factory jack and spare all in it. Trunk floor all looks real good in it. Really nicely detailed and done. The car is super straight, flat down the sides. I tell you, it's just show quality car. He did a nice direct fit AM/FM stereo with the iPod capability, custom kick panel speakers and everything in it. Very, very nice car, guys. Again, it's a 396. Makes about 375 horse, 4-speed, 12-bolt posi, 331 gear. We got a headlight bulb must have went burn out. We'll get that taken care of. Just a real good sound, nice camshaft in it. Got the Flowmaster mufflers on it. tight car. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com or visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.